Some presenters make the mistake of sitting at their computer and planning their presentation with PowerPoint, Keynote, Prezi, or some other presentation slideware. However, this stifles creativity. Don't be upset when I tell you to step away from your computer. You'll be using it enough later. In contrast to going digital and sitting at your computer, this is the analog approach to preparation and planning, and it is one of the most important things to do in the initial planning phases. The analog approach is used by most professional designers. With the analog approach, you can be creative and brainstorm ideas. You let your mind be still and you let it wander. How do you do this? Here are some strategies. You can use a large notebook and pen to brainstorm, sketch out ideas, make lists, draw ideas for charts or photos. You can use a large whiteboard or flip chart and colored markers. Many people feel uninhibited and more creative sketching on a bigger surface. This is also great for drawing out your ideas. Some people like a lot of space and stretch out a scroll of white paper on a floor or wall to sketch out their ideas with marking pens. Tablets, whiteboards, and scrolls of white paper are also great for mind mapping. You can start with your main idea and then start adding lines for subtitles and key points. You can also use Post-it notes and write down as many ideas as you can on separate pieces and stick them to a table or wall. It's best to use a marker when you do this because it limits how much you can put on each paper and also makes it easier for you to see the content. After brainstorming your ideas, you can see the big picture and determine your core message. Then, you can move the notes around and cut out what is not essential as you organize your presentation. Relax, let your mind wander, be creative. I have found that getting away from the office or home is key for quiet time without being distracted. You can take a walk and jot down ideas that pop into your head. Consider sitting by the beach. Or go to a library, find a quiet area, and sit at a large table with a tablet of paper. Or even keep a pad of paper by your bedside and write down ideas you may get as soon as you wake up. Personally, I find that when I swim, my mind drifts and I come up with great ideas. However, I can't be counting laps when I do that. That would be like sitting in front of a computer and would kill all kinds of creativity. Instead, I plan to swim for 30 minutes and then get out. As soon as I dry off, I write down my ideas. These strategies using the analog approach will help you be creative and unique as you prepare your presentation. As you solidify your message in your own head, you get to see the big picture and identify your key points. It is then easier to go back to your computer and lay out your ideas in a presentation software. If you enjoy this video, make sure to check out our Medical Presentation Essentials course and register for a free trial account, which will give you access to selected videos and quizzes from the course. You can earn CME credits with every MedMastery course. If you want to learn more about how MedMastery can help you become a great clinician, be sure to watch the About MedMastery video.